Workshops adopt SALTO access systems to create a secure and safe work environment for our members. I'm Irene, GM of the workshop. Currently, we have 4 centers in Singapore. The workshop offers affordable rates as well as flexible membership terms. Our objective is to create a collaborative co-working space for the professionals.
Hi, I'm Lina and I work on the CapitaStar at Work app. CapitaStar at Work is a B2B2C app, and what I mean by that is we have both community features and utility features. Utility will be more of the functional productivity apps for workspace, such as booking of meeting rooms, or else it's to access various workspaces. The community is the more fun part where you get to see the latest news, redeem deals, as well as see what other interesting events. Everyone is holding on to their mobile phones, and it's very unlikely that you will leave your mobile phone at home, whereas if you rely on access cards, you may lose it, you may leave it at home, and then there's always the hassle of how do you get into the space. With the mobile app, there's enhanced security. For the community managers, what they can do is to amend and edit access control as and when someone leaves or joins.
In October 2022, SALTO and CapitaStar at Work came together by creating a digital access systems to let our members access the workspace as well as the booking of the meeting rooms.
We realized that we had to further digitalize the workshop to remove all the manual processes that they are doing. And in order to do that, we also had to modernize their end-to-end technology stack so that all their various systems would seamlessly sync together and talk to each other. We wanted the one app experience because we don't want members to have to download multiple apps just to do various things that they have to complete in their day-to-day lives. We realized that SALTO, which was already in place at the workshop, could actually be seamlessly integrated into CapitaStar at Work. So that became a win-win partnership, and we had a very good working relationship with SALTO.
After the integration, the member does not have to worry about leaving their access card at home. Now they can just use their digital app to access the workspace. The workshop looks forward to continue the partnership with SALTO.